welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a Taobao unboxing. Ta-da! Well, I just received this puzzle like about half an hour ago. It was delivered to my doorstep and I was not expecting it at all because I just consolidated it at Taobao website a few days ago and I got it today. So this is the size of the parcel, and I remember for this size I chose air shipping and it cost me about 25 to 30 Sing dollar, which I think is still quite okay because of the speed. If you really want to have a cheaper shipping, then you might opt for the sea ship options, but you might need to wait for about 2 to 3 weeks to receive the order. Yeah, I have already forgot what I bought, but I guess this is the fun of doing online shopping. You are like receiving present each time when you receive a parcel. Some more a present as big as this. It's actually, I think it's actually not that heavy, maybe 5 kg. I guess so. Let's open it. I like to use a pen knife to open the parcel. I'm so excited! This is actually an impromptu video because I'm not expecting it. Oh, my color contact lens. This is actually my third purchase from the shop and I only buy when they are having promotion because their lens are not cheap but it's really comfortable, so I really like their color lens. Some more, I prefer those that I can throw daily after I use it, so I don't buy those monthly lens or yearly lens. I only buy daily lens and they have good daily lens with color. Nice color. So I got 3 different color. Maybe I can leave the link down below and you can try it out. Hi guys, I'm in my makeup phase right now. Actually, I'm going to try out one of the 3 lenses that I bought from Taobao. So these are the colors shown here. Actually, I think all are brown color, just with slight difference, but slight difference make a big difference when you put it on. So I think I will try a new color today, so I've never tried before. There are actually 10 pieces of lenses inside, which means you can wear for 5 times. And I'm gonna put it on. Okay. Can you tell the difference? I only wear it when I feel like wearing it because it's not that affordable. I forgot how much a pair costs. I think roughly $4 to $5 for a pair. So I don't wear it every day, but it's really comfortable. I like this color. Next item. It's quite light. Okay, recently I saw this artificial manicure design on Taobao and I was tempted to try it out. Their designs are hand painted by the manicurists over there in China according to their descriptions, and I saw good review for all the products, so I wanted to try it out. If it works good on me, then maybe I will consider to use this once in a while. Guys, I actually try out the manicure set that I bought from Taobao, and it's so nice. The seller actually provide me 2 types of gel. One is nail glue, one is nail glue, this one is the permanent one. If you use this glue, then the manicure set can stick on for 2 to 3 weeks. And the seller also provide me with another new glue gel, something like glue gel. It's like a double side tape that I actually tape it on my nails, and then I just press the manicure set to sit on it. But overall, I'm really happy with the result. But according to the seller, if I use this, I can actually recycle the manicure set, which means I can actually take it off and then wear it again next time. Just that it is not that long lasting. It can only last for 2 days. So nice. I think I will purchase more in future. Let's continue with the third parcel. I think these are some dresses that I bought. Oh, a dinner dress. Well, I like the color and the materials looks good. The only thing is I don't know if I can fit in. I'm not sure why I bought it at the first place. The review is good, but the actual thing is so bad. I'm not sure, is it because of the size doesn't fit me well? I should have ordered a size smaller, or it just doesn't, or the cutting is just weird. The pictures show a perfect fit on the model, and in real life it's just so many extra fabric. It's supposed to be a mermaid dress, but now it's terrible. It's terrible. I don't know what to do with this piece. The fourth parcel. Dresses that I bought. I remember it's quite cheap. Okay, I really like this dress. The fabric is so good and the cutting is nice as well. It's a midi dress. This is another mini dress that I bought. I like the cherry pattern. It gives me a very summer vibe. I like to buy one-piece dress because it's so convenient for me to bring when I go travel. Don't need to mix and match. this is a wrap dress, which means it's actually like a piece of cloth that I actually need to tie here, and it becomes a dress. So excited. This is also a good buy. It only cost me $9. And the cutting is so good. I will post the link below. Fifth one. For the sixth one, I forgot. Oh, this is the pen for my new iPad Air. I got it from Taobao because the Apple pens is too expensive for me. Cannot afford. Another one. I really lost count. Okay, cool. This is the casing for my iPad Air. And it's in Tiffany blue color. I'm not sure it's Tiffany blue color. Oh, so nice. Another one. Ouch. Oh, this is the heavy one. As you all know, I am someone who always traveling, so I really need this a portable. I don't know how to open. A portable kettle that I can bring along when I travel, can compress into very small. I don't know how to make it. Like just now, it can compress into a very small piece to bring around, so that I can have hot water in the room. Because I have heard horrible stories on how dirty the electrical kettle at the hotel room actually is, so I really don't dare to use the kettle. So I have my own kettle now. I will bring it to wherever I go. Okay, the last parcel. Oh, it's another top that I bought. Oh, the quality is really good. Oh, I wish I can fit in. It's a off-shoulder top, sort of off-shoulder tube top, and it's a crop top, but I really like it. I really like the design, I like the fabric, I like the material, I like the cutting, and it looks so good to just match with a pant. a white leg pants or whatever pants. It can go well with short jeans too. I'm so sad that it's a bit too big for me. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy seeing me unboxing all the things that I bought from Taobao. Actually, I didn't buy a lot. I just like buy whatever that looks interesting to me. See you guys in the next video. Bye!